Hey, welcome back to One Good Thing at Home, where we're all spending a lot more time. I know I am. Is your home feeling dirtier? My home is definitely dirtier, or at least it feels a lot dirtier. So this week, my one good thing is how to clean glass and take it from this to this using the unlikely, everyday newspaper. And by the way, this week is a submission from Franz Blattner, the newspaper idea, which I love and I had totally forgotten about, so thank you. The trick is using newspaper, which has been on fire lately because there's so much news. It's not like, whoa, not like that hand. So you can use a traditional spray cleaner with it, which is totally fine, or you can make your own, which is really cool. And I'm gonna show you how to make it out of vinegar, lemons, and hot water. Get yourself a nice little spray bottle. We're gonna get a little squeezer there, measuring spoon, and always a knife. The recipe is 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 cup of hot water. The other cool thing about newspaper, when it's dry at first, it almost acts like a squeegee and it sort of scrapes down the window and gets stuff that's really stuck onto the window, but then as it gets more moisture in it, it softens up and becomes like a sponge and absorbs everything. So that's it for this week's One Good Thing. Don't forget to send me your One Good Things, and I'll see you next week. Hey, I've got this really cool product. I'm not sure it's enough for one good thing, but it's this little home tower, the Yamazaki home tower. Guess what it does? It dries all your plastic bags. And it's so awesome because we got bags everywhere until I got this. It's cool. And look, it goes away. Yeah, I like it.